So our today's synthesis is synthesis of 2,4,6-tribromoaniline from aniline. This is simply an bromination reaction, and the bromination of aniline will be done via electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Now we know aniline is an aromatic ring, and into which we are going to substitute the bromine molecules. So this is simply an what type of reaction? Electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Now we are going to add bromine in the three positions of the aniline molecule. So first of all, we have to do the bromination. Now, what are the requirements for this particular synthesis? We require aniline, presence of glacial acetic acid, bromine, which is an actually brominated agent, then methylated spirit. Methylated spirit here used as an solvent for this particular bromination reaction, which will be in quantity sufficient, and we are going to take the ice. Now, what is the principle and reaction mechanism involved in this particular synthesis? Bromination is an example of, already we have discussed, it is an example of electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, because bromine here acts as an electrophile which is substituted in the aromatic ring at what positions? 2, 4 and 6 position. That's why the type of reaction is electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Now, heterolysis of bromine molecule. Homolysis and heterolysis, these are two types of lytic type of reaction, where the electron charge is equally distributed between the two molecules after breakdown. That type of fission, that type of lysis is known as homolysis. Here, the bromine molecule, Br2 molecule, is broken down by which type of lytic reaction? By which type of broken down reaction? Heterolytic broken down reaction. So all the electrons, a shared pair of electrons, which will be attracted towards one molecule of bromine, and the another bromine molecule will achieve positive charge. So it is a heterolytic fission. Homolytic fission and heterolytic fission we know. So here bromine molecule will be broken by heterolytic fission, and bromine will be converted into Br plus and Br minus. Okay, now here the Br, which is carrying positive charge, is act as an electrophile. Now in case of aniline, so in this way we have first step, that is heterolytic fission of bromine molecule. Bromine molecule will be converted into Br plus and Br minus. Now aniline is a planar molecule. When the Br plus, that is electrophile, attack the ring, it generates pentavalent atom. Now this aniline molecule is already substituted. So this is aniline molecule which is already substituted with amine functional group, and onto which we are going to make the attack of Br plus. So after the attack of Br plus molecules, the carbon atom here will carry a pentavalent charge. It generates pentavalent carbon atom, out of which one of the double bond in the ring broken down. One of the double bond in the ring will be broken down. Temporarily, as H plus ion leaves to give stability and bond reforms, that is NH2. NH2 group is releasing group. Now we know NH2 group is leaving group. So hence it facilitates the attack of Bromine molecules, first of all, at ortho position. So after the attack of Br plus electrophile onto this carbon atom will carry pentavalent charge. For a fraction of a second, this amine molecule will be leaves, and again it will form the bond with the same carbon atom. Meanwhile, H plus ion is released, and here there will be generation of a bond between carbon and bromine atom. So this is first substitution, which is at ortho position, that is second position, 2-bromoaniline. Here we have synthesized ortho-bromoaniline, or we can say 2-bromoaniline. Now, this ortho-bromoaniline or 2-bromoaniline again undergo the same type of particular reaction, that is bromination. Again, one more electrophile of bromine molecule will attack the ring. So in the same manner, the double bond will be broken down. This carbon will carry a pentavalent charge. H plus ion leaves the ring, and bromine molecule is substituted at para position. So in this way, we have synthesized 2,4-dibromoaniline. Again, the same mechanism which we have discussed in the step number 1 will be continued. Again, bromine molecule will attack the ring. On the double bond, carbon will carry positive pentavalent positive charge. H plus ion leaves the ring, and there is formation of a bond between carbon and bromine atom. So in this way, with the help of aniline, we are going to synthesize 2,4,6-dibromo-tribromoaniline. So in this way, with the help of this reaction mechanism, by using simple bromine molecule in the presence of glacial acetic acid, aniline is converted into 2,4,6-tribromoaniline. Okay, so here we have taken the quantities: 2.5 gram of aniline, 10 gram of glacial acetic acid, and 13.5 gram of bromine. See here, gram and ml quantities are given. So generally the bromine molecule will be used in the liquid form. That's why they have specified both the quantities in the particular observation table. Now, what will be the procedure involved in this particular synthesis? So dissolve 2.5 gram of aniline in 9.5 ml of glacial acetic acid in iodic flask. So first of all, we are going to dissolve this aniline in the glacial acetic acid in the iodic flask. Later on, place a solution of 4.2 ml of bromine in 10 ml of glacial acetic acid in small dropping funnel supported over the flask. Preparation should be carried out in fume cupboard. Keep it in mind, whenever we are going to do any addition of bromine or any bromination reaction, all those reactions we should perform in the fuming cupboard. So what we are going to do in step number 2, place a solution of 4.2 ml of bromine in 10 ml of glacial acetic acid in small dropping funnel supported over the flask. Then add bromine solution dropwise. So from this flask to above solution, we are going to add this bromine dropwise with checking this flask. In which flask we have taken aniline molecule. So this aniline molecules flask we are going to continuously check, and addition of bromine will be done dropwise to the aniline solution. Cool the flask in ice during the addition, as the reaction is exothermic. This reaction particularly exothermic, it generates heat. So we have to do the reaction in the cool the flask in the ice during addition, because heat is generated in this reaction. Now there will be formation of final product, that is pasty mass. Paste like mass will be formed, should be colored in nature yellow by addition of little more bromine if necessary. So this yellow paste will be formed. Pour this yellow paste into excess of water and filter at the pump. Wash well with water and press thoroughly and dry. So we are going to filter this product, wash with water and dry. Then we are going to dry the product, report the melting point. Then the yield of tribromoaniline is quantitative, that is 10 gram. The yield of tribromoaniline is quantitative, that is 10 gram. And melting point, it is in the range of 1192 to 120 degree, 120 degree centigrade. Then report the yield. This 10 gram is nothing but theoretical yield. Then report the melting point. Recrystallize a small portion from methylated spirit, and the melting point of pure recrystallized product is 120 degree centigrade. So in this manner, we are going to synthesize the tribromoaniline, 2,4,6 tribromoaniline from aniline. Very simple reaction, bromination. I hope everybody understood the reaction mechanism. Now, what type of precaution we are going to take while performing this synthesis? Bromine must be handled with care in the fume cupboard. The liquid produces painful burns and the vapor is unpleasant. Bromine burns should be treated immediately with, if there is any accidental situation that our skin will be exposed to the bromine, so it should be treated immediately with liberal quantity of glycerin. If the vapor is inhaled, relief may be obtained by soaking or handkerchief in alcohol and holding it near the nose. So in this way, that accidental situations we can treat with the help of first aid measures, but very care will be taken during handling of bromine solution. So we have to report the result. Synthesis of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline from aniline. Molecular formula you have to calculate. Yesterday we have done too much discussion on this. Then theoretical yield from the molecular weight calculations. Practical yield assume as you wish, but the yield must be above 90%. Percentage practical yield, then melting point of your recrystallized product and melting point of reported, which is there in the literature. So in this way, you are going to report the result of this synthesis. So this is our fifth synthesis, that is synthesis of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline from aniline. Now, benzoin is oxidized to benzene. So this is an diketone. Already I have discussed with you all. The structure is corrected here. Now, okay. So benzoin is oxidized to benzene. It is an diketone by concentrated nitric acid. So what are the requirements for this particular reaction? We require benzoin, we require concentrated nitric acid, presence of concentrated nitric acid, as well as as well as we require an ethanol, that is quantity sufficient as a solvent. Then we require apparatus, conical glass, beaker and phosphorination. Now, benzoin, it is an diketone, will be oxidized to by concentrated nitric acid, which undergoes base catalyzed reaction. These cysteines are readily oxidized to 2-carboxyl compounds. They are electron oxidant in base solution and are effective. The carbanion, which is formed by the base, can donate an electron to the oxidant to give delocalized radical. As a loss of second electron completes the oxidation process. So this is an benzoin molecule. The structure will be corrected here. This benzoin in the presence of nitric acid will undergo structural rearrangement type of reaction. So this nitric acid will attack on this carbon atom. Now this carbon atom will be change their position. So this whole moiety will be changed its position from this to here. In this manner, it is joined with this.
Ma'am, madam,
Yes.
madam, slide change नाही झाली. तीच आहे.
Okay. Sorry. That's why you have message.
मागची slide आहे मॅडम.
Okay. म्हणून तू मेसेज केला होता का? Just wait. When primary alcohol is oxidized, it is converted into aldehyde. When secondary alcohol is oxidized, it is converted into ketone. Yes, I hope I am right. Yes, so in this way, this secondary alcohol, that is benzoin, will be converted into a ketone. But this ketonic structure already have one ketone functional group, and the starting material is also having one functional group, that is ketone. So it is converted into a diketone, and that diketone is known as benzene. So what are the requirements? We require benzoin, presence of nitric acid, that is oxidizing agent, and here ethanol we have used as a solvent. Now this benzoin in presence of concentrated nitric acid is converted into an diketone, that is benzene. Now what is the reaction mechanism? So this is an structure of benzoin in which the nitric acid radical will be attacked. Now after this nitric acid radical, when it attacks in the presence of water, but water will be, due to this ionization of nitric acid in water, water is converting into an hydronium ion. Now this hydronium ion will attack on the benzoin molecules carbonyl carbon atom. And after this attack of hydronium ion on the benzoin molecules carbonyl carbon atom, this bond will break down and this will change the position here, that is in this way. Now this hydronium attacks at this position, so there is formation of this type of intermediate structure which will be bonding the nitric acid molecule with the same carbon. That means this carbon atom, as it is attached to the hydroxyl functional group, this hydroxyl functional group we are oxidizing, and for the oxidation of this hydroxyl functional group we have attached as it is oxidizing agent to that molecule. Now later on there is removal of water molecule OH and H plus. This nitronium ion is attached to it. Now this will be converting into an N double bond due to the removal or the valency satisfaction of this oxygen functional group. Now after there is removal of HNO2 molecule, this HNO2 molecule, and there is formation of carbon oxygen double bond here. This carbon oxygen double bond is formed and the benzoin molecule is converted into benzene. So simply there is a attack of nitric acid as an oxidizing agent. It will attack to this position of carbon atom as it is hydroxyl functional group. Conversion of this hydroxyl functional group into ketone done by removal of water molecule and nitrous acid. And the second carbon atom is converted into an ketonic functional group. So the structure is quite different. Here there is again presence of C double bond as like that. So it is an diketone. Diphenyl diketone is nothing but benzene. Understood everybody the mechanism? Now reaction procedure. We are going to take 10 gram of procedure is visible to you all?
Yes, madam.
benzoin ची procedure दिसते.
Yes, madam.
Okay, thank you. Place 10 gram of benzoin and 50 ml of concentrated nitric acid in 250 ml of conical flask. Simple synthesis it is. Easily there is formation of product. So cover the mouth of the conical flask with long netted glass funnel and heat it on a boiling water pan. So simply we are going to take the round bottom flask in which benzoin plus nitric acid we are going to take and heat this on the funnel. Boiling water pan with the occasional shaking until the evolution of oxides of nitrogen gas has ceased. So we have seen in the mechanism there is formation of nitrous acid and this it is evolved as a gas. जोपर्यंत हा gas evolve होत नाही तोपर्यंत we are going to check this conical flask till it get evolved.
Madam. Madam.
Yes.
प्रोसिजर नाही दिसत आहे, मेकॅनिझम पर्यंतच दिसते.
तेच मी विचारलं तुम्हाला. Now it is visible. Yes, now it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So plus 10 gram of crude benzoin in 50 ml of nitric acid. So 10 gram benzoin and 50 ml nitric acid round bottom flask मध्ये घ्यायचं आहे, about 250 ml, and it is covered with a long netted glass funnel. Because in mechanism we have seen that there is evolution of nitrous acid and which is in the gas form. जोपर्यंत तो गॅस फॉर्म मध्ये नायट्रस ऍसिड निघून जात नाही तोपर्यंत आपण ते कंटिन्युअस रिएक्शन मिक्सर शेक करत राहायचं on the water bath. This will require about 1 hour shaking. Now after that, pour the reaction in 200 ml of ice cold water in a beaker. So this reaction mixture will generate into a product. Simply by shaking, there is oxidation will take place by this nitric acid and तिथं लगेचच product तयार होते. Now this product we are going to pour in 200 ml of ice cold water. Stir well until oil crystallizes completely as yellow solid. So there is formation of yellow crystals of benzene molecule. Now filter out this crude benzene at pump. Wash it thoroughly with water to remove the nitric acid. So simply we are going to wash that product with water to remove the excess of nitric acid. Then recrystallization of benzene will be done by using an ethanol molecule. Ethanol molecule किती घ्यायचं आहे? How much amount of product we have synthesized? Depending upon that, per gram we require 2.5 ml of ethanol. Then report the yield and melting point. And again we are going to report the result of this particular product. That is synthesis of benzene from benzoin, molecular formula, theoretical yield. Theoretical yield कसं calculate करायचं? I have shared already the photograph. Then percentage yield, melting point of recrystallized product and reported melting point. So in this way, we are going to report the yield of benzene from benzene.